Everyone, our aim is to find the row reduced form of the matrix A. To find the row reduced form of the matrix A, we must consider a pivot. A pivot is an element, the first non-zero element on moving from left to right in the row. So now the first row, 3 is our pivot. Now our aim is to make the element below the pivot as zeros. So we do that by multiplying the second row by 3 and subtracting the first row from the second row. It is done by a circular bracket 2 comma colon is equal to a is equal to 3 times a 2 comma colon minus a 1 comma colon. Now this statement states that a 2 comma colon represents the second row of the matrix A and a 1 comma colon represents the first row of the matrix A. So this statement states that a second row of matrix A is equal to 3 times the second row of the matrix A minus the first row of the matrix A. So now we have made this one as 0. Now the next step is to make this 4 also as 0. To do that, we multiply the first row by 4 and the third row by 3 and subtract the first row from the third row. So we do it by a third row is equal to 3 times the third row minus 4 times the first row. Now A3 comma colon represents the third row of the matrix A. So this statement represents third row of the matrix A is equal to 3 times the third row of matrix A minus 4 times the first row of the matrix A. So we have made the two elements below the pivot as 0. Now it is time to consider the next pivot. Now we move to the second row. The second row, the 5 is the first non-zero element on moving from left to right. So now 5 is our pivot. So our aim is to make the 5 in the third row as 0. We do that by simply subtracting the second row from the third row. So third row is equal to third row minus the, again I repeat, a circular bracket 3 comma colon represents the third row of the matrix A. Now a circular bracket 2 comma colon represents the second row of the matrix A. This statement represents the third row is equal to third row minus the second row. Now we have successfully got the row reduced form of the matrix A.